Hello Leo sign, welcome back to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back to my channel. And Merry Christmas everyone. Pasensya na medyo hindi ako nakapag-upload. I don't know if ilang araw na ba ngayon hindi ako nakapag-upload straight kasi naging busy ako. You know, it's Christmas and we have a lot of visitors. So, isa pa, nagkasingaw ako. So, medyo nahihirapan ako magsalita. But anyway, let's do this for your January monthly reading 2024 Leo sign. Leo sign, let's see. Hindi lahat ng Leo maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so cross watchers, pwedeng kayo at hindi sila Leo signs. Okay, so put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Please check your placement guys and watch your other placements. Kasi pwedeng mag-connect sa reading na to or pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. Okay, however maka-resonate pa rin. So, let's start Leo. Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari this month of January? January 2024 sa love life ninyo, Leo sign. So, ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari? Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay. I think may mga sleepless night ang mga pwedeng mangyari this January 2024. One of you or some of you will going to walk away calmly in a situation or in a marriage life. Okay, and just wanted to focus on themselves. Some of you are going to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life alone, and parang lalayo sa isang marriage life or some commitment para makapag-focus mag-isa, and to find your new beginning. So nakita ko dito this January 2024 a decision that will make talaga this 2024 na gagawin ko na to talaga this time, parang ganon. So ito yung mga pwedeng mangyari kasi feeling ko andun ka sa point of you are parang tired or parang merong third party situation talaga sa relationship ninyo. Yeah, I can see 3 of cups, 3 of wands, third party situation, and sobrang na-stress ka na about this. And this January 2024, magde-decide ka na talaga na I'm going to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of my life. And aalis na ako dito para mag-focus sa sarili ko. So, let's see more. You might be dealing here with Taurus sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or you can have a Taurus in your chart. So, I think hindi kayo nag-uusap talaga ng person mo or hindi kayo mag-uusap this January 2024 ng person mo. Might be dealing with someone from the past. So, you might be someone, a wife, and having a third party situation. And, andun ka sa point that you're still hoping to have a new beginning with this person. Your love is overflowing talaga sa taong ito. So, kaya lang, andun sa point na napagod ka na siguro talaga. Kaya hindi kayo nag-uusap this time. Might be you just really want that this person will going to focus and be matured enough to handle his or her responsibility. And alam mo yung makapag-realize siya from his or her mistakes. And sa mga nararanasan ninyo ngayong heartaches. So, andun, gusto mo talaga na mag-offer siya sa'yo ng new beginning of commitment na hindi niya na ipaparanas sa'yo itong mga pains na dinanas mo. Kasi feeling mo toxic na siya. Feeling mo natatrap na, nagkakaroon na ng jealousy, possessiveness, controlling situation sa inyo, and you don't want this. Mas gusto mo talaga yung, alam mo yung pagmamahala na like a couple na parang walang problema, walang iniisip na even other person dito. So, might be feeling ko yung third party ng person mo is an LDR or something na cross watchers, pwedeng baligtad to, vice versa, okay? So, let's see. Ano yung mga hindi mo alam or kailangan mong malaman this January 2024 if you're dealing with this situation, if naka-resonate ka? You might be dealing with the Capricorn sign, Virgo sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you might have this in your chart, or mabigat to sa chart ninyo. So, ano yung kailangan mong malaman about this situation? Leo sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay. So, I can see here, Leo, parang magkakaayos pa naman kayong dalawa ng person na to. Itong person na to is mag-o-offer pa din siya sa'yo ng balance connection. Pero bago to mangyari, Leo, nandun ka sa point na you will really going to do this. Gagawin mo talaga tong pag-move on, or sabihin natin na giving up of this relationship or situation or marriage or commitment. Mangyayari pa talaga to kasi you will going to enjoy your life as a single woman. Kasi nga hindi kayo nag-uusap na ngayon. I think this time baka meron na sa inyong partial separation, parang ganun. And bago siya maka-realize dito na kailangan kong ayusin yung pagsasama namin and offer you again a victory. Parang mag-aasa yun ng new beginning, pagbabalikan. Kasi andun sa point na matatrap itong person na to talaga. Matatrap siya sa dalawang tao. Between you and another person. So medyo magbibigay din to sa kanya ng stress kung sino yung pipiliin niya sa inyong dalawa. So ibig sabihin you know about this and parang napapagod ka na. So itong person na to, darating yung araw, siguro pag nakikita ka na niya na you are already like enjoying your life, being single, you are opening your door already, marirealize niya yung worth mo. Sabihin natin na magiging ano ka talaga dito, like hindi ka na magiging dati na sobrang focus ka sa relationship ninyo, nagkakaroon ng jealousy, nagkakaroon na ng possessiveness, clinginess, controlling situation. And this time, parang you set it free. Gawin mo na yung gusto mo kasi aalis na ako. Hindi ko na kaya hindi kayo nag-uusap. So this time around, he will going to save your marriage or he will going to save your commitment or relationship. He or she. So babalik siya para mag-offer sa'yo ng new beginning, ng love connection. Okay? Para maglalakas siya dito ng loob na gawin niya to. Medyo, alam niya kasi may pagod na sa'yo about the situation. Alam niya yun, pero maglalakas ng loob pa din siya na magkakaroon pa din kayo ng, parang kaya niya pang ayusin to, i-fix to, alagaan to, or lalong pagandahin itong relasyon nito. Nung time na naramdaman niya na parang wala na, okay ka na, nawala siya. So, parang adun sa point na I know my responsibility and gagawin ko yung responsibility na yun. I will going to parang give judgment to this situation. Though dumating talaga sa point na hindi niya alam kung saan siya patutungo, pero gagawa at gagawa pa din siya ng action towards this. So let's see about ano yung possible ay positives na pwedeng situation na pwedeng mangyari this January 2024. You might be dealing with Sagittarius as well, or you might have an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo in your chart. Ano yung magkakaroon ng positive? Ano yung positive? Sorry. Positive outcome ng reading na to. Positive outcome. Magkakaayos pa talaga kayo, and because this person will going to save your sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba, meron kayong partial separation. So separate kayo, though hindi talaga officially. So he will going to save this, or she will going to save this, kasi babalik siya sa'yo to offer love, to tell you that he love you, ikaw lang yung mahal ko. Then magkakabalikan kayong dalawa kasi nga you love this person unconditionally, and isi-save yung relationship ninyo, marriage ninyo, commitment ninyo, and magkakaroon pa kayo dalawa ng happy together again. Okay, so medyo pinag-isipan niya din naman to ng sobra dahil na naging toxic yung situation ninyo, and na dun ka sa point na dumating ka talaga sa point na you really wanted to move on na. Pinakita mo na to sa kanya, but I think this person talaga is lumabas siya sa kanyang comfort zone to end some cycle and to have a new beginning with you, with his life and with you. So nag-take the leap of faith siya dito to offer you a new beginning, a second chance, okay? To give you judgment, to give you, to give you justice, what you want, and to be fair with you again. And para magkaroon ng peaceful resolution dito sa situation ninyong dalawa. So this is the positive outcome, na there is a still chance of pagkakabalikan sa inyong dalawa, Leo, ng person mo. But this time around, you will going to, siguro, bibigyan mo siya ng ultimatum sa mga nagawa niya. Kasi Leo, it will always be Leo. Pag si Leo, lolokohin ulit, wala na. So, let's see. And this is you, Leo. I think this is you who is giving second chance na, sige, i-fix natin to. Pero pag hindi na talaga ma-fix, then dahil inulit ulit, then that is not your problem anymore. Or you might be dealing with another Leo sign. This is a love message oracle card. Law of attraction, Leo. You have been manifesting this relationship. Everything you want will soon be yours. So, mangyayari talaga ito. Might be this will be in the near future, and it will happen because you are manifesting this person to come back into your life. So, gaya na nang sabi sa story ni Kylie Padilla, sa kanyang story, bago lang, sa TikTok, if I'm not mistaken, sabi niya, pag yung tao dumating sa buhay mo, at yung tao na yun minanifest mo ng matagal na, at dumating to sa buhay mo, that connection was really special, or is really special. Sobrang different yun. Sobrang unexplainable, full of magical, and hindi basta-basta klaseng connection, normal connection as how you met the other guys. So when a person that you manifested will come into your life, this could be some real connection, you know, from the universe. So, this is something na kailangan paglaban, kailangan siguro to learn some lesson from this, and kailangan siguro to the point na tutukan ng maigi kung anong difference ng relationship before than this, because definitely there will going to have a magical connection sa inyong dalawa that difference sa previous or past connection mo with other people. So, this is a law of attraction. This is a manifestation. And if yung manifest mo na bumalik itong person na to did happen as what I see in the reading, is something bigger, something different, and something magical. So that is my reading for you, Leo sign. Thank you and God bless.